Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to add a new page in Canva. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and I show you how to do it. Alright, open Canva and log in your profile and click on left corner, create a design and create flyer, a phone, portrait, and alright. Your project open and click on duplicate page. This duplicate and write text at text block, write hello. Alright, click on delete and click on duplicate page, duplicate, and click on add page, this duplicate page 3, number, add page 2. Alright, and click on this page and click on add page. Okay, of course, and scroll down and click on add page 4 and click on button add page. Alright, your 8 page. That's all.